Embrace the trends, don't fight them. G'day folks, today I want to really share what I'm observing in the video space, which is oftentimes certain communities moaning and bitching and complaining about the fact that, square video is now the norm or 9:16 video is the norm. My advice is don't fight the trends, embrace them. The fact is, consumers are consuming content on their mobile phone and they're looking at things in portrait mode. So for example, even though 9:16 formats really does make it more challenging to work as a filmmaker, look at it as an opportunity. Look at how you can make it work. At the same way that 9:16 is just 16:9 on its side, think about the opportunities to create a new way of shooting. Now, as I said, it's so important not to fight these trends. If you fight them, you will be left behind. And I do not want that to happen to you. Embrace the trends, make the best of it, be a professional, and find a way to make it work for you. All right, folks, talk soon.